Alright guys, today we are going to make the picture frame, which is also made out of a 6x6 square. Now for this you're going to need a picture. Our kids just cut things out of a magazine. Here's my son's. He picked a fossil. I picked a lion, here's mine. And here's my daughter, she picked a baboon, and it wasn't centered very well, but you will need a picture that is 4x4 for this. The instructions say to do half penny pictures. I don't think those exist anymore, so any old magazine picture will do, a picture you have lying around that you can cut, and you know, whatever you have. So for this project, you are going to need some more cardstock. You will also need scissors, the ruler, the hole punch, some yarn, and a pencil. I think I'm going to stick with yellow because I think you can see my lines a lot better on it. So we're going to once again construct a square that's 6x6 inches. And then we are going to cut it out. I am simply going to make a 4x4 square for my picture in green. Since I don't have any more magazines, alright, this is going to be my picture that I am going to show you. Alright, we're going to draw lines again from the corners to the corners. So you have bisected it twice and you have found the center. Now we're going to fold all four corners to the center. So here you have formed the note from the first exercise. Now you're going to open the paper and you're going to fold these points down to this first crease. All right, now we're going to turn the points back and crease the fold. I'm going to close the sides again. Now we're going to punch holes for the ties. You want the ties to be, you want the holes to not be down here, but to be as close to this fold as you can so that it holds it down when you tie it in. That was something that I learned. So just punch. So now it looks like this. And now we're going to insert our picture. I had my kids glue theirs down, but you don't have to do that. It will stay in there. All right, now it says to tie with cord, ribbon, floss, or yarn in flat knots or bow knots. Trim the ends if you don't like to have the long tails. I'm using child scissors, so it's very dull. You can make the ends short. But there is the finished picture frame made out of a 6x6 square.